Hi, I'm Christian Louis Pamplona, Energy and Utilities Supervisor, JTI Asia Manufacturing Corporation.
I'm Francis Albert Dichoso, Building and Utilities Specialist, JTI Asia Manufacturing Corp.
JTI's initiative on transitioning from RO system to a water softener system started last January 2024.
The project was initiated to enhance the performance of our water treatment system, which supplies feed water to the steam boiler. Our reverse osmosis system serves its purpose, but it also came with challenges. It rejected about 60% of the supplied water, meaning that every 10 cubic meters provided, 6 cubic meters were wasted. This resulted in high maintenance and inefficiency.
As a solution, after further evaluation, we decided to replace the RO system with an ion exchange water softener to improve feed water quality, reduce waste, minimize downtime, and ensure a more reliable boiler operation.
We began with the planning and assessment. Since 2023, we observed rising maintenance costs and increased reject water from the reverse osmosis process. To address this, we transitioned to a water softener system aiming to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and minimize waste. After planning and assessment, we moved to installation, overcoming minor delay through effective coordination with suppliers.
Next, we conducted system testing and calibration, which was seamless due to the system's user-friendly interface and customizable settings. Lastly, we provided staff training to ensure all end users could operate and maintain the system efficiently.
This project has significantly impacted the operation of JTI by achieving several key benefits. First, we're using less water. With the new system, we've cut steam boiler feed water consumption by 40%, saving resources and reduced costs.
Second, our maintenance costs dropped. Fewer boiler breakdowns mean 67% lower maintenance expenses compared to the old RO system. Lastly, our equipment runs smoother. The high-quality feed water keeps our steam boilers working reliably, reducing downtime and extending their lifespan. Overall, the project has resulted in significant improvements, enhancing operational efficiency, reducing maintenance costs, and minimizing water waste.
By adopting more sustainable approach to water treatment, we have not only optimized boiler performance but also reinforced JTI commitment to environmental responsibility and resource conservation.
This initiative reflects JTI's dedication to continuous improvement, ensuring long-term benefits for both the company and the environment.